Alright, welcome to this video. Watch some new features of Bible. So I'll try to summarize what are new features in Bible 3.4. Let's start. First of all the Bible documents are rendered in a new way, and it enables some new features like you see the cross references are opened as this kind of pop-up with clickable links, meaning how you open cross references is different. And if there are multiple cross references, of course you can go through them like this, and you see the link is highlighted, linked text is highlighted, and then you also see here this open all references link, which opens all the linked references in a special window. Alright, next feature is bookmarking. Let's make a new bookmark group first. On a label. I select color for the group and press OK. Let's then create our first bookmark. Now bookmarks can be made like more specifically not just based on verse, but also based on range of text. So let's make bookmark here. You see the highlighted the text will become highlighted, and let's then go and see we don't have any labels here. Let's fix that. Let's change it to my bookmarks. Now we have my bookmarks group here. Let's create another bookmark. You see it is unlabeled, it is displayed in different color. Let's fix that. Let's make it highlight green. Then let's create third bookmark which is overlapping with the second one, like this. You see there are now two bookmarks, one without label and one with label, green label. So if I click here, it shows the bookmark, this unlabeled new bookmark, and if I click here it shows the green bookmark, and if I click here it shows this kind of pop-up which allows me to open any of these. Let's show also one more feature, or let's show the text display settings from here that are related to bookmarks. There are some bookmarks so we can choose that my bookmarks will be automatically used as an assignment for new bookmarks. There is also possibility to hide certain bookmark labels from from the Bible. So if I now create new bookmarks, it will be adding automatically this My Bookmarks label for them. Then let's go to this topic. Oops. My Notes. Bookmarks and My Notes features are now merged. So you see, if I click a bookmark, I can start writing text here. If you see from Bible view, you see here small icon here which indicates that there is a note here. Let's create another note. If we open Bookmarks and My Notes view, and here see My Bookmarks, we see also from here the highlighting of the selection. Then there is something new. Let's open another window which is synced. Then let's open commentary. You can choose it from here. It is commentary called My Notes. It is pseudo commentary. It is not a document, but it is showing the My Notes that you write as a commentary view. It also shows all bookmarks, but you can of course choose to hide certain bookmarks, and let's use that feature here for this window. We don't want to see anything else but my bookmarks. Oops. It looks like we crashed, but it is just normal in the beta phase. Let's open again the My Notes. And okay, so we left here. Now I fixed the bug so we can continue. So now we see here only that specific label. So yeah, so we see here the bookmarks of this label. We see still also unlabeled bookmarks. Also, that is a bug. I will fix it later. But as you see, here we have this kind of view that we have bookmarks. We can go from here also to this modal view window. We can remove bookmarks from here, and then we can also write notes like this. For notes you can also use some effects and lists, etc. And you can add Bible references. like this. Okay, that is a bug also, don't worry about that. So next thing, study pads. Or maybe there is something that I missed about bookmarks or my notes. Let's see about this still a little bit closer. Oh well, maybe it's fine. And if I click here, yeah, alright. So let's go to study pads. Study pads is a new feature which allows writing notes, for example, in church while listening to sermon. And for that purpose, let's create a new study pad. Study pads are like labels for bookmarks, and you will see soon why it is that. Let's open Bible here. And let's go to some new place. Now it is important that we have this assign labels to this study pad document that we are now working with. So it reads here that this study pad is empty. Start writing study pad by adding text entries and creating bookmarks with this bookmark label. It means that when I click from this plus icon, I can start writing. And let's have this as a title for, oh, what did I move? Oh, okay, I just changed to another. So let's, can I, this doesn't want to move, anyway. Then when I start making bookmarks, let's say I am now in the middle of sermon where a preacher is talking about these three words. I can create bookmark, it appears in the study pad. And then I want to specifically speak about this one word. I can make it so that it is related to this, like a sub-item of this previous bookmark. So I can first of all open it like this, that it is displayed fully, and then I am wanting to write notes about this bleed. And it works like this. So you can write, add notes. For example, some part of sermon is not so much related to Bible text itself. You can write this kind of notes. But if it is that we are handling about certain place like this, then we can write it as a note to this bookmark. So this study pad works like this kind of a place where we can collect bookmarks, and we can also add this kind of note texts. Let's say we want to organize this. We can also drag and drop these items to new order. Alright, I think that is all for study pads. Let's see, we have delete button here. Yeah, I think I have covered more or less everything from here. Yes. Let's cover then compare feature. Let's go back to Bible document for that. We have some Bible translations installed here, so let's select a couple of verses. Now you see in this menu compare, that opens compare view for these few verses that we selected from 7 to 11, and we see them in all versions, that Bible versions that we have. Let's choose a little bit less. We see only one verse here, and this is also browsable, this compare document, so we can go forward and backwards one verse at a time. Yeah, I think that is simple as that. Let's cover font pack. There are some new special document types in Bible now. They are found in this download documents add-ons, and there we have already installed font pack. And when we have installed font pack, it works like this, that when we go to text options, we can choose font family, and from font family we can choose now the fonts that came with the font add-on. For example, Literata is Google like this kind of font provided by Google that is meant for books in general, so that might be nice font for Bible also. There are some other also fonts in font pack, like some Hebrew and Greek fonts that are more useful for those documents that are in Greek or Hebrew. Alright, that is about font pack. Let's go through main menu now. What are the new items? So bookmarks and my notes, they are merged. Then there is study pads, and from here administration we see backup and restore is now share backup and restore, and under that there is also a new item to share or backup application APK file. So this is useful if you are not able to access Google Play or internet in general, so you can copy the application to your friend via Bluetooth or some other file transfer method. Then you can also share or backup some Bible modules similar way. Bible modules or documents, meaning like that we can share Bibles, and then even the database can be backed up, meaning your my notes and etc. What else? of course I'm trying to update the help to so that you can find from here now up-to-date information, and then if you click how to contribute, this is for developers, etc. This opens our GitHub web or GitHub wiki page, how to contribute page, and what else, open source license. I have added also menu item for the license file that we have. We are under new general public license, meaning that you can make modifications to this application as long as you keep the source code open. You are encouraged to share the make pull requests out of your contributions to our main repository. Then I have made a contact category. Report bug is of course important if you have found a bug in Bible. Then rate and review. This has been always here. This gets you to Google Play, but if you have some trouble or if you want just give feedback, just click then give us feedback, and you will be given to email where you can write your comments. Like this, and send. Then there is invite friend feature, which is to send WhatsApp message or Gmail or whatever. Let's use this. So the message is like this. Let's not send anything, although emulator cannot send anything. But anyway, here you see the message. Okay, I forgot one item, so let's go through that too. So I have made also improved version of sharing Bible content. So let's choose something like this, for example, and press share and /copy. You can now have control how your sharing looks like, so you can choose to share full verses or just those places that, like the selection that you choose. And there is also option to advertise application, which is of course nice if you do, and you can also abbreviate the reference if you like. And then when you click share copy, you can again either copy to clipboard or send as message or whatever to your friends or what social media or etc. Now I remember one important thing. Let's have it here. Strongs. Many of us are interested in studying the Bible in original languages, and as we are lacking the knowledge of Hebrew or Greek, we can still utilize Strong's dictionaries. Now there are new modes, we can choose to show Strong's numbers like before, and click those numbers. But we can also choose this kind of mode that words are underlined, and then you can just click words and see the meaning in links window. And if there are multiple content, like here there is Strong's number but also bookmark, so you can choose which one you want to do from here. Okay, you moreover you can click the label but if you don't click the label, then you get to the bookmark view. Hopefully that's all, mostly, for that I didn't miss anything. So thank you for doing unbible testing by being beta tester. I hope that you will report all the bugs that you find, and also all other help is appreciated. If you are translator, please start updating translation that you are managing, and so that we can approach the stable release. Thank you.